Guidance. Vocational guidance. Vocational guidance usually is interpreted as the assistance given to the learners to choose, prepare, and progress in an occupation. Vocational guidance is the process of assisting the individual to do for himself certain definite things pertaining to his vocation. Aims and objectives of vocational guidance. Following are the aims of the vocational guidance: assisting the students to acquire such knowledge of the characteristics and functions, duties, responsibilities, and rewards of occupation that are within the range of his choice; assisting a pupil to discover his own abilities and skills and to fit them into general requirements of the occupation under consideration; assisting the pupil to evaluate his own capabilities and interests with regard to their worth to him and to the society; helping the individual develop an attitude towards work that will dignify whatever type of occupation he may wish to enter; give exploration opportunity in different areas of school learning and vocational exploration that will enable the learners to get the feel of several types of activities; assisting the individual to think critically about types of occupations and to learn a technique for analyzing information about vocations; assisting the mentally handicapped, the physically handicapped, of economically handicapped to make the adjustment that will be best for them in their struggle for a fuller life and for personal and social welfare; instilling in a pupil a confidence in the teachers and other guidance personnel that will encourage them when he confesses with them on personal and vocational problems; assisting the pupil to secure the necessary information about the facilities offered by various educational institutions engaging in vocational training; providing information for the learner about admission requirements, length of training, cost of attending any institution of higher learning to which he may wish to go after graduation for high school in order to continue his vocational preparation; giving assistance during school years so that the individual will be able to adjust on the job work conditions and to work other workers; assisting each people to appreciate his rightful place in a group of workers and to become a functional member of the team; helping the learner realize that success is purchased at the price of effort and that satisfaction on the job derives from doing his work completely. Need of vocational guidance. Wrong professional and economical psychic laws, economic advantages, health point of view, personal and social values, maximum utilization of human potentialities. Vocational guidance at different stages. At elementary stage, not much can be done at elementary stage strictly in terms of guidance. However, the teacher as a guidance worker can do the following things. She can create love and respect, positive attitude for the normal work, train the use of hand of the child, create the habit of neat and systematic work. At secondary school stage level, definite guidance in vocations can be given at this stage. The child should be helped to know himself. Entire vocational guidance depends upon it. Child should be helped to make right choice. Familiarity about the world of work can be given. Child can place during high school in a suitable job. At college level, some of the specific functions of college guidance program may be stated as under: assisting students to relate the students to the vocation that would be open to them at the end of their college career, assisting them to make a detailed study of the careers which they would like to pursue, assisting them to acquaint themselves with different avenues of work. Personal guidance. Personal guidance may be defined as the assistance offered to the individual to solve his emotional, social, ethical, and moral as well as health problems. Personal guidance deals with all those problems of life which are not covered under educational and vocational guidance. Nature of personal guidance. Following are the some basic nature of personal guidance. It is concerned with social and civil activities. It deals with health and physical activities. It helps in worthy use of leisure time and character building activities. Need of personal guidance. Personal guidance is needed for the following reasons: required for personal adjustment, essential for developing individual competence, setting up a harmonious environment between family life and vocational life, taking decisions with regard to personal problem, bringing happiness, satisfaction, peace in life. Health guidance. Health is regarded as the wealth. Total health that is preventive and curative is the goal of health guidance. The health guidance may be cooperative effort of principals, doctors, counselors, psychologists, teachers, students, and parents. For promoting preventive care of conditions of schools, hostels, continues to be checked. Similarly, health education through formal classes and information is essential in school education stages.